Alright, we back again. I didn't even have nothing to say, like, starting off in this intro. Jesus freaking Christ, bro. Anyways, we are back with another Duke video. So let's all prepare ourselves for the glazing that's about to go on right now. And it's not including me, because I won't be. At least I'll try not to. Anyways, we got Getting Girls Number with a Flip Phone Part 3. I will probably be uploading this on Christmas, so yeah, welcome. Not like anybody's gonna watch this anyway, but let's get into it. Hopefully y'all are doing well. A2 batteries already.
Might be the last video of the year. So let's go out with a real banger, man. 100,000 likes in the first
this man,
first day, 100,000 likes. Make sure y'all subscribe too, cause we grinding for 3 million. We've been going crazy. Listen, bro, Phoenix is probably my favorite city. I'm gonna tell you why. As soon as I landed, bro, I checked my Instagram. Every single person in Phoenix hit me up, it seemed like. All the women hit me up. Niggas hit me up, telling me the food places, where to go, where to be, the places to be, and things of that nature. Hell, a nigga even, one nigga sent me 20 Arizona bitches. Like, bro, that nigga did not have to do that, bro. Like, you didn't have to do that.
Okay, y'all niggas just weird at that point. Like, your mouth is looking crazy.
Yeah, bro, but you did that.
Bro, in your throat,
like,
bro.
Bro, like, it be little shit like that I appreciate, you know what I'm saying? Cause like, bro, that's some real nigga shit, you know what I'm saying? But like, niggas sent me a list of goddamn 20, 30 Arizona hoes. Not that I'ma use it, cause like, I'm celibate and shit, but like, also
hoes he
nigga,
probably can't get.
Flight, and as soon as I landed, I got like a homie vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like I got a homie vibe. I was putting on my hoodie while on the flight, and an old bald man beside me, he sitting beside me. He seen me struggling. He say, "Sir," he tapped me. He say, "Sir, do you need me to pull the hoodie down? Cause it's rolled up in the back." I say, "You know what, sir?
Like, I'm tired of this glazing. Do you need me to pull your hoodie down? I saw that it was like, niggas is just glazing at this point. Like, now it's just pissing me off. Like, first there's a female, I was like, yeah, okay, whatever. I ain't gonna let the females be wildin'. But like, come on, bro. Let his shirt be messed up. Let something be wrong about this man. Like, bro gotta make sure he perfect. You wanna make sure Duke perfect, huh? Freaking weird. Just glazing. The fuck is going on? Like, let me fix your shirt. It's a little messed up. Like, does he not know who he talking to? Like, we are all preying on this man's downfall. Let something be off, bro. Damn.
Thank you very much. Like, I love
old man glazing. How you old and glazing?
Nice fucking guy.
Clean that old mouth, old throat. That man's insane, crazy throat, crazy.
Futuristic shit like modern home, the block houses. I'm gonna get like I might have my shit like white and black. Have me a black ghost parked out front. Have a motherfucking G-Wagon parked out front. A white G-Wagon though, cause I already got the black ghost. Then I have the Jeep in the garage. Then I might throw a lamb on it. What you think? I ain't do this. I swear to God.
Like, I want to be able to talk like that, bro.
You've been here for 5 minutes.
Hey, I didn't do this though. I didn't do this. I'm innocent as fuck. Oh, I think I just pushed it off the motherfucking hinges. Type shit. I was just trying to close the door.
That's why you can't give hood niggas nothing. Like, he already got it snowing.
I'm gonna do the head tip like that. Y'all see it? My phone did like that right there. Boom. I seen it out my peripheral. Like, what phone? See that?
You heard that?
Nah.
Oh my god, I was finna say pre-glaze in the chat. We gotta think of a new word. I feel like glaze is getting cringe, like standing on business. Like, don't get me wrong, standing on business is tough, but like, it's one got played out now. I feel like glazing staying away. We need to make a new one. Like, I was gonna say bro wet, but that's kind of crazy.
Hot. That's a Disney channel right there.
Yo, dude! Hey, yo, let me get a picture. No, Dad.
God, I can't do this no freaking more. Like, Bro, y'all is grown men. Like, what is this reaction? Like, is this? Oh my god, I just can't, man. Like, I understand Duke is the Lord and Savior, and everybody's just glorious King, but like, why? As grown men, like, your mouth is looking crazy right now, like mad crazy. That's like, yo.
It's a Disney Channel right there.
Yo, dude. Yo, let me get a picture. No, that.
That shit is insane. Oh. This man geeking out over this, man. That is crazy. You geeking out over another dude.
I watch you, bro. What the? No, what? Oh, what the fuck? No. No way, dude, Dennis. No.
Where your phone at? Where your phone? Disney Channel.
Dennis!
Hey, your best video is 24 hours in Miami, bro. That shit was hella
Oh
good.
yeah. It's Phoenix, right?
Yeah.
How to get a hoe, cause like I can't.
Bro, what the fuck are you talking about, bro?
Hey, bro, you're the risk king, bro. Come on, bro. You gotta tell us.
Nah.
Bro, come on, bro.
How do I get a host?
But y'all handsome niggas, bro. Well, not niggas, but like y'all from. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Hey,
I didn't mean to blow up your spot like that. I really did. I'm really sorry. What are you doing out here though? Did you go to Old Town?
I'm going.
Are you going?
Why you so cheesy? Why you smiling so hard?
Because you're so hot. You are. He's so cheesy.
How old are you, bro?
I'm 24.
Really?
Yeah.
Why didn't you get your number or something, man?
What?
Something.
How old are you? I don't even know how old you are. Wait, why?
Bro,
This is not your phone.
bro, look.
Trina.
Bro, it is my phone. Where is it? What?
No. Where are you
I
going?
just can't, bro.
I'm going to.
Puts number in flip phone.
I live here, yeah.
You going to Old Town? What time should I go? 10? Yeah. Check, man. Make sure, man.
It's not even funny.
Bro, when my phone ain't working, bro. Hold on. I got you, bro. I got you. Don't trip. This shit say connected. Oh, it say your line busy, bro. Damn, why my shit ain't working? How y'all doing, man? How y'all? Y'all too, man. Y'all let me know which city or state I should go do a 24-hour video next. Waleed saying Toronto, but I don't know. I might take y'all word over Waleed. So y'all let me know which city. Come at your city, man. If y'all live in Rhode Island,
Don't nobody tell him nothing no more. There ain't no other places, bro. I'm trying to warn every single city and state and place on this freaking planet. This man will go to Pluto and have alien bitches sitting there glazing over him, wanting to take pictures and stuff, bro. We don't need it no more. He's had enough. Don't nobody comment anything, please. For all he knows, is there's only Atlanta and Miami. Please, just let him. I'm begging. Like, god dang, bro. Like, I know at some point in this video, it's gonna be somebody's girl just geeking out over this, man. Geeking hard over this, man. Just watch. I know it.
let me know, because I might choose that. Oh, shit. You the only black person on that team.
This guy thinks the earth is flat. He thinks the earth is
That's his
flat.
business, though. That's his business.
Yeah, that's his business. Man, gonna try to throw him out there like that.
I ain't seen a single black person yet, but hey, fuck it.
Oh my god, it is snowing out here. Where is he at? I need to be. Why does she look like Dang, how I forget her name? The one that blew up on TikTok. What was her name? She's fine too. She be with Valkyrie. Like, what? How do I forget her name? Dang, but she looks just like her. That's crazy.
Where are the
White people or black people?
black?
I know you heard this man say black.
Pretty please. Pretty please.
Where is it?
Or I heard that they come out on Sundays also.
Hey.
Serious, I'm serious. I heard they come out on Sundays.
Okay, so
Bro, I need to come out here. It is a snowstorm in this bitch. Where is they at? Like, I forgot. What did he say they was in at the beginning of the video? He said it. I think, what was it, Colorado, Arizona? I don't know what the freak I'm saying. But I need to go there. It's snowing hard.
Come out on.
What?
Black people come out on Sunday. I ain't gonna lie, I need you to yell. We party on Saturdays. That's what we do.
Oh, it's this glazing, man.
Yo, I made a whole video on my Instagram, bro. They don't be going for niggas out here like that.
What, the white girl?
Yeah, the black girls, they don't really be going for niggas out here like that.
Yo, it seemed like everybody white.
What's up, dude?
What's going on, bro?
Can I get a picture with you, bro?
Phoenix, Arizona is cool, but unfortunately they lack color.
There's your color right there.
Black people I done seen the whole night.
I believe it. I know niggas.
Why you didn't tell me that?
Sorry.
She pretty
What
though.
you doing right now? I don't think I got your number.
No, how tall is she?
Oh, here you go.
I gotta see what shoes she got on. Bro, you not about to skip past her with your thick fine as in that back. Yeah. Oh my god, mommy, please, mommy.
I just bought it, so I gotta learn how to work this motherfucker. Yeah. You gotta work this?
I need her in the frame. Forget that. I forgot that was the whole point in this video, bro.
Oh, I'm calling somebody. Oh, no.
Okay, I ain't put nobody up in there yet, so I don't know how to use it. Huh? Just trying to simple shit. That motherfucker work though. Yeah. It's starting to come out, man. Huh?
I'll be in a video. What's it for? What's it for? What's the video for?
We doing
Oh, shit. Okay.
what?
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt the video.
Oh, now you good. So look, we from Rhode Island,
Okay.
okay? And we just came down to where we at, Scottsdale.
Yeah. Your girl time.
Oh yes, ma'am. You should get one. You look really good in one. Now,
You look good in it. You look good.
Oh my god, like this man just gets some like I just can't. Let me stop hating. Let me stop hating. Oh my god.
doing like a survey
Okay.
on the ratio of.
Oh, I got this. I'm ready. No, you gotta listen to what the survey's about. Just question me. What's your survey about?
The survey is
Like they are ready to like give it all at any point. Like this man tell him to take everything off. They is standing at attention. Like this is just so insane to me. I just don't understand. Like she talking about she don't care what the survey is. I'm ready. Look at Jesus.
I'm ready. No, you gotta listen to what the survey's about. Just question me. What's your survey about?
Look, they ready to give it up.
About
like type shit.
yeah, I know.
Right.
Okay.
Like I've been searching, I've been looking, I haven't seen not one.
Wait, is that her man, bro?
Yeah. Oh, okay. I bet there's black.
And why was he grabbing on her like that in a camera? That's weird.
I believe.
Shine it.
No, they are seriously on his body right now.
I love that.
Crazy.
I
You're blinging. You're
Right.
blinging.
okay.
You got your grill.
Yeah, okay.
You got your chains.
Yeah, I think y'all boyfriend just left y'all.
Yeah, they did. Well, they're good. They're good. No, we don't care about them.
Damn.
We'll find our way back to them. They're good. They're good.
Y'all listen to country music?
Yeah.
I bet the fuck you do.
You like?
Let's go back though. Let's go back. Just forget the synchronized damn I just did with Duke. Forget it. It was alright. It was kinda cool. What?
We'll find our way. They're good. They're good. No, we don't care.
I think y'all boyfriend just left y'all.
Yeah, they did. Well, they're good. They're good. No, we don't care about them. We'll find our way back to them. They're good. They're good.
Y'all listen to country music?
Yeah!
I bet the fuck you do.
You like, I promise you will find them. You will. You will.
Thank you very much for doing my survey with you. This is Rhode Island News, Channel 17.
Renee!
And there you go. Hey, that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. And we out. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
They out here now, Cap.
Okay, but the chains are looking crazy though. I ain't glazing. Okay. Like, I'm not doing what they doing in the video, alright? But like, the chains is I forgot what this is even called. I'm not really knowledgeable on chains because, unfortunately, I don't have the money to even think about getting a chain. But this is crazy. It's like rainbow effect. That looks so tough at night, bro.
That's the fourth one I done seen. And who's counting?
You.
Hey, we need to get your number. I ain't never get it. What you?
Wait, what the fuck is that?
Why she saying that like she don't know that's a flip phone?
It's not a fucking Motorola.
Motorola Razr. I have it. That was my first one.
This your first phone?
No.
Oh yeah, nah. But what you trying to play my phone for though? You trying to play my phone like? Alright, that's cool. Alright, I got you.
Bro, you had me.
What you mean? What is that? Hold on, man. What the fuck you mean? What is that?
She all up in his like bubble though. Like, she's standing like right here the whole time.
Nah, I'm just playing on these ones.
Yeah.
No, but for real, come here. Let me get you for a second. Let me get you for a second. Listen, come here.
Cameraman, look.
Fine as fuck. He is. I'm for real.
Like, it's like dude just pull up and these females just get out of character. Like, I'm pretty sure she probably one of them same ones that be on TikTok making videos and captions that niggas ain't shit. But as soon as Duke come around, it's just like, I love men. Like, this
I
is
wasn't
just,
all over your mouth like that, but your ass is That's what I'm saying. So.
do girls really do that much?
Let me see. Why?
Fuck no.
No, stop.
The fuck you got?
My
I
bad,
didn't
I'm so
expect
sorry.
that. Come on.
Yeah.
You want to track for them so they ain't gonna track you? Go back. I don't know.
Bro, ain't no way you
I'm
just
trying
let.
to be respectful.
Yeah, just like type in the number and shit like that.
Okay.
Just type it in. Yeah, you typing it. You typing.
Don't be taking pictures.
You typing the fuck out there. Yeah.
Call it so I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it.
The Lambo?
I'm calling.
Oh my God.
Bingo!
Alright, nah, my bad.
Yeah.
It's the exclusive.
Davo.
Y'all don't need to see.
What you say?
Shout out to
What the fuck is
Davo,
this nigga
man.
even talking about?
Hey, my fault. Hey,
Let's do it. Hey, Davo.
I want to know how long he been growing his hair out though. That man's crazy.
Nah, I got it.
I got you,
He
bro.
play with you,
I got you,
bud.
If they come out blurry, bro, I'm drunk. Alright, it's all good.
You know what? Hold on.
But this nigga Davo some motherfucking.
It's the same girl.
But this nigga so tender, bro. That shit is insane, bro.
She is pretty though. Look at her. Like, she is pretty, bro. Just look at her, bro. Like, I'm glazing her. I don't freaking care. Like,
Insane, bro. This nigga out there hooping with.
Shut up, nigga.
Bro,
You
what
ain't Tupac, nigga.
Bro, what the
You
fuck
tryna have
are
a
you
do-rag
doing,
on like you
bro?
Tupac.
What are you doing hooping with? You can't even hoop. That's the thing, bro. You can't even hoop, my nigga.
Who's he talking
never
about?
hoop with Davo, ever.
oh, okay, that's a damn
Ever.
lie.
They love that basketball.
And the first thing this nigga do is take a bitch with the basketball.
Oh wait, never mind. Was he in that video?
And this shit nigga super bitches, bro. This nigga know damn well he do not hoop ever. First thing he do is take the bitch with the basketball court.
You had too much today? Tonight?
Oh shit.
I can tell.
I ain't know, this get me tight. I don't know where to put my webcam. That's why I keep looking at my right. I'm looking at my monitor because I'm like, it's for clip purposes, like TikTok and stuff. Like, they keep shedding their weight to this left side of the freaking screen. Like, all right, you know, I feel like the best place might be up here, maybe.
How you doing? You doing all right? I'm sorry. Let me get your number.
I got so much numbers. I'll follow you back if you touch it.
Why are you looking at my phone like that?
TCL?
The brand is irrelevant.
How updated is this? Is this like,
My shit works.
how updated? Like, is this new? How new is this? How do I put my number in this?
Start, yeah.
I want to be on the iPhone, not the flip phone. Where's the iPhone? I know you got like two of them. I don't want to be on the flip phone.
No. You not gonna be the one using
I
it.
tell you niggas, shut up.
Bro, I make plays with this motherfucker. You see a motherfucker ringing though?
It's not a camera up here.
You can't
You
flip
can't
it.
get up there.
What the?
Hold on, wait.
Hold on, I'm gonna take one of
You can really take pictures with that.
There we go.
Wait. All right, go for it.
Okay, no, chill. What do you mean?
What is that?
Just do like a. You just gotta do it once. Come on, I'll leave you alone.
No, they got you doing some TikTok shit.
You're like, when you see someone, you're like. He's not gay. Wait, why did you bring gay into it? Now he's so sussed out. It's just me. I'm like, no, for real. I'm like, no, I'm going.
Okay, hold on. You do it. Do it.
Dude, go Ash. Yup. Go, Victoria.
You do it.
Come on, bitch, don't hold on.
This gotta be some TikTok shit. What is this?
He's a little nervous. You watch Disney Channel?
No.
Yeah, me neither.
No. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
I know. I've never. What the fuck is Disney Channel? I've never seen
so
it.
beyond that.
What is it?
Oh, now we just don't know what Disney Channel. If Duke come in the building, we don't even know what Disney Channel is. One of the most popular freak. You know what? I'm done. Duke come around, the people don't know what Disney Channel is anymore. What's next? First we got girl's mans come up to her to pull her away. He grabbing on her titty and some extra stuff. I don't know what weird mess he had going on. She basically pushed him off. Duke acknowledges it. Then they say, oh, our boyfriends is fine. We're talking right now. Like, it's an inconvenience that they even tried to come over there and stop them from chatting with this random man with blazing diamond ice cold chains in his mouth and freaking neck. But then we got, come over here. You find this. About the freaking orgasm, just trying to talk to this man. Then we got them. Then they all have put their number in this man's flip phone. And now we don't know what Disney Channel is. That's so above us. Man, I just can't do it no more. What is he doing differently than us? What is he doing differently? Besides money, obviously. Like, god damn, bro. Now they don't know what Disney Channel is anymore. Like, Disney Channel?
Cut this fucking camera off right now. They fucking creep me out. That was y'all perfect time to say.
He's right behind me! Wait, he set that shit up! No way, because he knows! That's why he came behind me.
Well, she on his. I respect it though.
He's right behind me, isn't he?
Oh shit.
I'm never gonna forget the nigga Dabo actually took a bitch outside to hoop when he can't hoop. I did what? What do you say?
What? We're not ready for you.
No, hold on.
Oh shit. Look, they ain't never seen a man hit a 3-pointer now. I can't do this no more. Bro, I swear on everything I love, if one of them asks if this is LeBron, like at this point, they might as well. Cause they don't forgot everything. Like they ain't never seen a man shoot a 3. Now they scream and hollering like a bunch of cheerleaders because this man don't hit a 3. Like, I just can't do. Like, look at their reaction. Like, they just never seen this before. No. No.
Hey, in front of the hall.
This one for you.
If this man dunk, it's over. They getting butt naked on command.
It's cold as
Oh
fuck out
my,
here.
he don't make 2 in a row. He need to be in the NBA. I'm so glad we didn't see this man dunk. It would have been over, bro.
Oh yeah, my dog. Got Magic jersey on. A
This is
Magic jersey
insane.
Hey, how you doing? I'm doing good. We like experimenting with Phoenix and shit, trying to find like beautiful black people like y'all. Thank you. Oh yeah. Where y'all going?
Yeah, we were gonna get some food.
Right.
Where are you going?
I mean, I'm going wherever the black people at. So I guess it be lit.
Oh, it'd be so lit. It's very lit. It's just like when it gets later, like around 12:30. That's when it starts getting popular. No, it gets lit in there for real. But I don't know about a Sunday.
This man chewing the fuck out that gum.
You ever ride much?
We homebodies.
Homebody.
Yeah, we homebodies.
Okay. Type
Are you
shit.
gonna be in there?
I think so.
I'm gonna be sad if I don't see you. Let me know if you.
Matter of fact, let me just get your number or something. Wait.
I keep forgetting that's the point of this video, bro.
Damn.
What's your friend's name? They just over here not talking. What? This is crazy. You are right now. Not the flip phone. Not the burner phone. Hey.
What is wrong? I'm just trying to take it back to simpler shit. What is wrong with this?
Damn well. Not the flip phone. You're not.
Is something wrong? Is something wrong with this? Something wrong with this for real?
Nah, I feel like you dressed a little bit too bougie to have a flip
Yeah,
phone.
like.
Like I'm bullshitting? So you wouldn't give me your number with this motherfucker right here?
It seemed like you hiding a whole
Like I got a bitch or something?
Yeah, for real. I'm like, that's.
I can respect that right there. I can respect that right there. Now, I was just seeing if you was gonna give it to me though. But you made a valid point. I might be hiding like I'm in a relationship or something. They weren't fucking with me yeah.
I don't even have my fucking phone on.
Bro, how the fuck do you not have your phone on you, bro?
Because I was in the car smoking, so you know I gotta cheat before I do anything.
You had a chief?
I like her. She like, I don't know, something about her vibe is just like, she cool.
Can't smoke, can't eat until they smoke?
No, I can eat before I smoke.
Oh, that's some crackhead ass shit.
What table y'all finna go to right now?
You could tell she probably like,
Shit. That where you going?
like funny and so.
My brother-in-law Drew got a table at Riot right now.
Yeah, you should have pulled up to my shit. We could have had a blast. Word. Okay.
Hey, if you want to, I can let
I'm
you know.
invited to your shit.
You want to go? We can come right now.
I'm doing the experiment.
I know, but
I'm trying to find the black
later.
people. I'm trying to find the black people, and I ain't doing a good job.
I mean, my boyfriend Roy, he black.
He black? Hey, tell that nigga Roy he a real ass nigga. Well,
Yeah.
shit. Hey man, look, enjoy yourself and shit.
You too.
Appreciate everything. Of course, yes ma'am.
You got big things coming. I got big things coming.
We got big
Big
things.
things coming. Hey.
Say less. Okay. You have a good night, man. Damn.
Now, see, that's a cool interaction without glazing.
Manifestation. I fought with it.
Came up to take a photo and forgot.
And forgot. But that's a real nigga though. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah,
hey,
for
listen,
real.
man. Thank y'all for helping me to open
I
up.
got it. Sucking. Sucking is the new glazing.
Our very first.
Baby, hey, I like those heels. And I like those toes. I only like to suck toes, I suck yours. Put toes in my mouth right now. I only like to suck toes, I suck yours. Put toes in my mouth.
Gotta respect it. He's straight to it.
Okay, don't do it. I'm just joking, bro. Relax. Everybody is nice. Everybody is nice.
I don't lick toes, but I'll lick yours. That's cap. Right. All of this because a nigga wanted to suck her toes. Hey, look, bro. I done opened up my own goddamn.
That man said right
Some
now.
good ass sliders, bro. And some good ass wings, bro. Need some.
But I'm about to break this monitor. Like, why is this man sitting here? Freaking God. Why is this man sitting here just recording this man Duke eat this food, bro? And look at his face. Like, he looked like he's just like, really just, like, yeah, you like it, don't you? Like, he like on some freak shit. But I swear, if this bottom lip go behind that front tooth, bro, I swear my freaking fist is going through my camera, bro. Please. Thank the Lord. I'm pretty sure he gave it to him for free.
Hey, look, and guess what? If this shit was ass, I'll let you know. This some good ass shit, bro.
Like, this man just sitting here just the whole time, like.
Boy, doing shit like this to make a nigga real upset. It'll make a nigga real upset. Like, bro, who the fuck this nigga think he is? Who the fuck this nigga really think he is? I don't think I'm nobody. Hey, chill out.
I've been peeping shit all night.
My shit?
Yeah.
I be like on some low key shit. Where y'all going?
You have somebody to go after, but.
Oh, my bad. This none of my business. Well, shit.
But what you guys do?
I'm probably just finna head back to my B&B and shit. Chill out. Nice meeting y'all, man. Wherever y'all about to go, be safe. That's the number one thing.
You want us to go there?
And guess what? Come on, man. Look, that's why I stay in my own lane, bro. Mind my own business, bro. Because guess what? That mean a nigga has nothing to do with me. I don't talk to niggas. I don't fuck with niggas. I stay in my own circle, bro. I only talk to Davo, bro. Any nigga after that, bro, you don't know me. You know why? Because I be in my own. I don't even be on the scene.
Dude, if you can't fit through that door, I'm not coming outside.
Ass. You ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna make it that way.
She got that launcher. Oh God, here we go. Now this man got a show out now. He about to freaking show up. I swear if he dunk, I'm running out my room, bro. I swear to God, bro.
Come on, Christina, lock in. It's over there.
Why the fuck is y'all turning up to this right now? Y'all is tweaking. Y'all ass is tweaking right now. Bro, there's no way I invited the hoe. So they can listen.
I can be real good. Please don't get in your feelings.
Bro, there's no way this shit sounds so real. You cannot convince me. He mad as shit. Fly guy.
Me? As fuck. As fuck too. Look.
With the flip phone. Hold on. Flick up with the phone real quick.
Oh. Put your number in it right now.
I'm reading it right now.
Put your number in it right now. Fuck it. See, look.
How do you even use it though?
Look. Put your number in. 5.
Not you having a voicemail. Oh, okay. Put it right here.
Put your number in there. Put your number in there right now.
It's probably one of the freaking glazing females already. How much y'all want to bet?
Yo. What am I calling you on? Like what device am I on?
Everything this man say, he just Kevin Hart in this bitch, bro. Everything he say is just, we just laughing hard. It's just this man, funniest man in the world now. We forgetting Disney Channel, now he a comedian. Now he a comedian. This is just crazy. This man, she don't laugh and cheese hard off of almost everything this man don't say. Like, oh my god, like I really don't want to be a hater, but it's like, and I'm not a hater, but it's just when you watch Duke, it just brings it out of you. Like, what's so funny? Like, watch, everything he says is just so damn funny. Bro's Dave Chappelle out of nowhere. Look, what did he even say?
Pro Max, and I'm gonna FaceTime you later and shit. I bet. All right. Listen.
This man closed the phone and I can't do this no more. I can't freaking do
Make
this
sure y'all
no more,
subscribe.
bro.
Hey, T. Hey. Subscribe, man. 3 million. 3 million.
How much you said? 3 million is 3 million. That nigga know he getting 3 views. That's what 3 views. Maybe 300,000.
Y'all hit us. What?
Okay, I might have to have his back on this one because what the hell are you talking about 3 views? He's not me. That's what I do. And she can't be talking about me.
What? Y'all hear her? Can y'all hear her?
Make sure y'all share, like, comment,
Hey,
and subscribe.
do y'all hear how motherfuckers be hate? Hey, y'all show these motherfuckers something like 3 views. We finna get 3 views in 0.5 milliseconds. Cause I love y'all. I adore y'all. You know what I'm saying? I do anything for y'all.
She said you don't get 300,000 subs. That's what she said.
Listen, I love y'all. I adore y'all. I would do anything for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I know as much as I be hating on this man, shout out to Duke, cause he do be doing his thing. Can't hate on the brother, and he black, making it in this world. That's all I want for a brother, man, you know? That's all I want for myself too. It's just not easy, man. It's just not. Anyway, shout out to Duke though. I know I might be hating on this man every time I watch him, but hey, he needs somebody to hate on him. That's literally the only reason. He just needs somebody to be hating on him, bro. But he's a good fucking guy, dude. He's a good fucking dude, man. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this sucking of a video. And until the next one, peace.